Hello, welcome back to my channel. On my channel today, we are making Zobo that tastes like wine. The first ingredient we are making use of is Zobo leaf, followed by pineapple, ginger, clove and star anise, cinnamon, lemon. I use negro pepper, and for the sweetener, we are making use of dates. To start making our zobo, the first thing is we are going to cut our pineapple. We are going to cut our pineapple because we'll be making use of the pineapple peel to make our zobo. So when you cut your pineapple, you set it aside and move on to the next thing. Lemon is very important in making zobo because it helps the body to absorb the benefit of zobo tea better. Because lemon is high in vitamin C, so and for the body to absorb zobo tea properly, you need to add vitamin C. So you either add lemon, orange, and also pineapple is also high in vitamin C. So all these help the body to absorb the benefit of zobo more. After you already arrange all your ingredients, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to move to boiling our zobo leaf. You don't have to boil it on a very high heat. Just boil it minimally for like 15 to 20 minutes max. So when you put your pot on fire, add your leaf, add your zobo leaf, water and all the ingredients. So I added my cinnamon, my pineapple peel, I added the star anise, the clove, the ginger, all the things that I'm going to use for all this have been added. So when you add all this, you cover it and allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes max. While your zobo is boiling, then you move on to the next thing, which is blending of the dates, which is what we are going to use as the sweetener. You can see the Zobo is ready. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to use a big sieve to sieve out all the chaffs in the Zobo tea, after which you are going to use cheesecloth to drain it again so that it will remove all the small particles that is there. So once you sieve it, then you cover it and allow it to cool down before you add your sweetener, the pineapple juice and every other thing that you want to add. This is it. While my Zobo is cooling, the next thing I did was I blended my dates, I juiced my pineapple, and I also have some watermelon at home. I also juice it, allow it to cool down, and added everything to the mixture. This is my Zobo after it's cooled down. So I added my pineapple juice together with the watermelon juice. This is my date. As you can see, can you see how my Zobo looks like wine? You need to test this. After that, you package it if you want to sell it, or you serve it cold. For preservation, just put it in your refrigerator and it will last as long as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned something from this video. See you in my next video. Bye.